George and Jumpy are lining up apples. Click on the apple that fills the gap below. 13. That's not the missing number. 6. You picked the correct apple. 16. Oops, that's not right. 9. Great! 10. Oops, that's not right. 1. That's it. 15. That's not the missing number. 7. You found the missing number. 11. Oops, that's not right. 12. 3. Yes, that's the missing number. 17. That's not the missing number. 16. 8. You're right. 2. 11. 2. You picked the correct apple. Good job. Click the green button to keep playing.